Hi, this is a short tutorial showing how to create custom tables based on XML data using wrap. First, open the wrap document in which you want to add the custom table. In our example, we will use the default status Report 1. Pressing the Update button will populate the document with information from our project. Scrolling to the bottom of the document, we can see the default risks table formatted using the built-in generator. But in this tutorial, we will show you how to recreate this table and others like it using Word. We begin by creating a blank table with a width set to the number of columns we plan to display and with 2 rows, one for the titles and one for the data. We can fill in the title row immediately. Next, we open the developer toolbar on the ribbon and select the XML Mapping pane. If you can't see the developer toolbar, you can enable it in any edition of Word through the Word Options dialog. Using the XML Mapping pane, locate the data source. In this case, we are reproducing the risks table, so we select the risks XML. After expanding the nodes, we can see that this data source includes a repeating node called Properties. Word will use this repeating node structure to create our table. Position the cursor in each of the data cells and insert the matching XML data element from the first repeating XML node. Once the population of the data row is complete, position the mouse cursor to the left of the row and click, which will highlight the entire row. At this point, locate the parent XML node of the data you have inserted. Right-click and notice that Word now gives you the option to insert a repeating content control. Select this option and the table is now populated with data. If you are authoring a template, you can delete the data from each placeholder, and when next updated, Word will repopulate table with new data. Note that due to a bug in Word, new rows will only be added to the table when the document is opened. So you may want to pre-populate your tables with several empty rows to cater for most common situations. We hope you found this tutorial useful and can now add many custom tables to your reports.